Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to explore trending contents on YouTube. In order to explore trending content on YouTube, you could use the YouTube's built-in feature. Now, this is the most direct way to see what is currently popular on YouTube. The Explore menu. Launch open the YouTube application, and then you could see at the top of the page there are menus, right? So you could go ahead and look for it in order to find the trending contents. So basically, you want to click on this Explore section over here. You have these, and then you could go ahead and look for the trending content. When you do it so, you will be able to find the 10 trending contents on YouTube. This is one of the easiest way. And next, you could also highlight videos that are quickly gaining popular. And likewise, music, gaming, and movies shows the top content within these specific inches as well. And next, you could also use external tools such as Google Trends, social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, other applications that can help you out to explore a trending content on YouTube. So this way you could find or explore trending content. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.